का. Yes, thank you very much, beta. Sorry, I forgot that. So remember, when we are discussing about addition and subtraction, always remember this thing, that when you have addition or subtraction, the most important part is to convert into like decimal. Okay, the first process is to convert into like decimal. If you have like decimal, you can add easily. Okay, if you have like decimal, you can add easily. And if the question is given in unlike decimal, first you need to convert into like and then you will solve it. ठीक है, सात्विक आप बार बार म्यूट से अनम्यूट हो जा रहे हो. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर माइक. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर माइक. Thank you. Okay. So remember,
Ma'am, your voice is very low and cracking.
Convert into like decimal. Now let me tell you, if you have 2, 7, 8. My voice is cracking to everyone. Yes or no? Please reply in the chat box.
No, ma'am, it's
My
not
voice
cracking.
is cracking. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Beta, I know that my voice is not cracking because I am getting the signal strength. ठीक है. How is it possible that आधे बच्चों के लिए क्रैक करेगा, आधे लोगों के लिए नहीं? ठीक है. So if it is cracking, it means your network is somewhere it is not good. ठीक है. You can see the recording also after the class, so you will observe that my network was not proper, है ना?
Sometimes it is cracking.
Beta, anyone? Beta, एक minute. Please don't speak in between. If you will speak in between, it will start cracking. ठीक है? Please don't speak in between. Just focus on the topic what I am teaching. If you are facing problem, you will also see the recording. ठीक है? I will request you to please not to speak in between. Okay? So remember, when you are talking about 3.5278, suppose it is there. For example, you have 11.3. Okay, you have two numbers. One number is like 3.5278. Another number is only just like 11.3. Okay. So in that situation, सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? If you have to add something, first you will convert both the number into like decimal only. ठीक है? Here we have after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Here after decimal you have only one place. So what you will do? 1, 2, 3. After adding 3 zeros, now both the numbers are like decimal. You can see after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is like decimal. और जैसे ही आपने like decimal में add किया, solve किया, then you can add the numbers easily. ठीक है? Suppose you have another example. Suppose you have, बेटा 3 को कुछ नहीं करना है. अगर आपको करना है तो आप ऐसे 0 लिख सकते हो. If you want to do that, you can put 0 also. Otherwise, it is fine. अगर आपको करना है तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Suppose there is a number like only normal 3. ठीक है, normal 13 है. ठीक है, now normal you have 13. And another number is like 323.45. Suppose this is there. And you need to add both the numbers. Please. Acha, okay. Now suppose the number is 13. Satvik Ranjan, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. I want to say that I cannot see the screen.
Still.
No, ma'am. I can see. Still.
Okay. Now, if you see this one, 13 is a normal number where nothing is there in the decimal. But if you see this number has a decimal part also and whole number part also. So, सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? You will convert into like decimal. यहाँ तो decimal के बाद 2 places है, यहाँ decimal ही नहीं है. तो सबसे पहले आपने इसको decimal दे दिया. और कितनी places है? 1, 2. तो just 1, 2. ठीक है, अब ये convert हो गया like decimal. अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. Put the 0 and just simply add it. Are you getting what I am teaching? Are you understanding what I am teaching? How to add? Yes. The first step will be to convert into like decimal. Why? Because अगर आप convert नहीं करोगे तो आपको arranging में problem जाएगी, और अगर आपने arranging में problem किया बेटा, so you cannot add and you cannot get the correct answer in that situation. ठीक है? Asta, if you want to say anything beta, please message me in the chat box. I'll read it. ठीक है? Anyone who wants to speak anything in between, please message me in my chat box. I'll read that. ठीक है? Now moving on to a question. Suppose कोई question देते हैं, ठीक है? ये तो topic हुआ how to convert. Now let me tell you how to solve it. The first question is addition. 3.5, 41.638 plus 117. Yes, somebody is telling something. Beta, please reply. Please message me in the chat box.
Ma'am, I want
If
to
you
tell
want-
that, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Ma'am, I cannot see what you have written on left.
Beta, I have not written anything on left. कुछ नहीं है. Question बस लिखा heading. The main thing is procedure. No, I am teaching here. Now, if you talk about this one, this is the question here. Suppose, ठीक है, we have three number, 1 number, 2 number, and 3rd number. First step, what we'll do, we'll just make it like. Now, like decimal कैसे बनाएंगे? Now see this. After decimal 1, 2, 3 place. After decimal only 1 place, and after there is no decimal only. तो सबसे पहले सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो प्रॉपर. Now plus 41.638 plus 117.000. Now they all are like decimal. 3 places after decimal, 3 places after decimal, 3 places after decimal. Now you can add normally. How will you do this? Just write it down. First number written, then decimal के नीचे decimal लगा दिया. Now after decimal 638 लिख दिया. Now this is 41, तो यहाँ आएगा 41. याद रखिए, numbers के नीचे number लिखेंगे and decimal number के part के नीचे decimal number only. Now this one, decimal के नीचे decimal 0, 0, 0. After decimal it is written, and this is 17, 117 written. Now just simply add it. It will give you 8, it will give you 3, it will give you 11, carry I 1, 7, 1, 8, 8, 1, 9, 9, 3, 12, carry I 1. Now 4, 1, 5, 5, 1, 6, and this is 1. The answer is 162.138. Okay, very good, Toyaj. So I believe you have understood or not. If understood, write it down yes. If not understood, write down no. If understood, write down yes. If not understood, write it down no. Okay. अभी तक everybody is writing yes only because it's just a simple addition बेटा. केवल इसमें step एक ही extra step है that you need to convert into like decimal. If you have converted into like decimal, it will not be tough for you. ठीक है? Yes. And if you have any query, please reply, please message me on my chat box. ठीक है? Now I am giving you one question. Please do it little faster in front of me only. तुरंत करिए, उसके बाद subtraction पे आते हैं. ठीक है? My question which I want to give you is 8 plus 313.45 plus 81.7. चलो फटाफट से edit. How much faster you can do it faster. Satvik Ranjan, you want to say something? Satvik
No,
Ranjan.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, by mistake, that my mobile is automatic, so by mistake it will raise hand.
चलो ठीक है, जल्दी करिए. All the students have to solve this question. How much faster you can do. And after solving, please message me here only that what will be the correct answer in this case.
And the second number is 313.451.
451. Yes, 451. 313.
Ma'am, please see, I have written the answer in the chat box.
Oh, very good. Very good. Just a minute, beta. I'll see that.
Ma'am, send it chat box.
Beta, please
Ma'am,
don't
what you have
speak in between.
Ma'am, what you have written in the last number?
I have received so many answers now. Let us see that whether they are correct or not. Okay? Just a minute. Yes. Now look at here. It's a number 313.451. So सबसे पहले we'll convert into like decimal. It will give you 8.000 plus 313.451 plus 81.700. Now this is the normal number which we have converted into like decimal. Now let us add it. 8.000. Now decimal के नीचे decimal, it will give you 451,313. This side again decimal के नीचे decimal, it will give you 700. It will give you 81. Now यहाँ कोई नंबर नहीं है, जीरो लगा दिया, यहाँ पे जीरो लगा दिया. अगर आपको लगाना है तो, और नहीं लगाना है तो that is also fine. This is 1, this is 5, this is 1 again, this is carry 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5, 5, 8, 13. Again 3, 8, 1, 9, 9, 1, 10, 10, 3, 13. Carry here 1. 8, 1, 9, 9, 1, 10. Carry here 1. 3, 1, 4. The answer is 403.151. Okay. Is it understood? Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
चलो अब हम लोग बढ़ते हैं. अब हम लोग एडिशन नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? बिकॉज एडिशन इज सो इजी नाउ. अब थोड़ा सा सब्ट्रैक्शन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. It's okay, beta. If you have done any of the way is okay. ठीक है? Now moving on to subtraction part. ठीक है? Moving on to subtraction part. How we do subtraction? Now remember the subtraction is also the same thing, only first you need to convert into like decimal only. सबसे पहला step that you have to convert into like decimal. How will you convert it? Now suppose the question is subtract 19.31 from 69.8. Suppose this is the question. So सबसे first that you have to convert both the number into like decimal. ठीक है? Now how you convert into like decimal? The first step will be to converting into like decimal. When you are doing it, it will give you 19.31 from 69.80. Now see, after decimal 2 places, after decimal 2 places. ठीक है? Now the question says us कि आपको यहाँ पर क्या करना, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने में बड़ा वाला पहले आएगा, छोटा वाला बाद में. And you should see the question. Question is also telling कि 19.31 को we have to subtract from 69.80. तो सबसे पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 69.80. यहाँ पर आपको इस बात का ध्यान देना है बेटा, ठीक है, कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. You need to check it. Don't just simply put इसको पहले उसको बाद में. you just have to check कि from वाले के बाद वाला number will come first. 69.80. Now another number decimal के नीचे decimal. It will give you 31 and this will give you 19. Now you need to subtract it. Just simply subtraction. 0 में से 1 जाएगा नहीं, ये इसको कैरी देगा, मतलब सॉरी बोरो करेगा इससे, तो इट विल बी नाउ 10. 10 में से 1 माइनस किया तो कितना आ गया 9. इट वुड बी 7. नाउ 7 में से 3 गया, कितना बचा 4. नाउ 9 में से 9 गया 0. 6 में से 1 गया 5. द आंसर वुड बी 50.49. Is it understood or not? Yes or no in the chat box, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Chat box, chat box, chat box, chat box. Chat box, don't speak, just chat box. I want to see, I have to read names. किसको किसको समझ आया? Because अभी you will speak yes, so I will not be understanding किसने yes बोल दिया. But if you will write it down, I will read your name also at least कि किसको समझ आया. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you. Now moving on to another question. Suppose you have a question like this. I am giving you this question. ठीक है? You have to solve it. Everybody will solve this one. 36.48 from 1000. चलो जल्दी जल्दी करो, देखते हैं किसका सॉल्यूशन पहले आता है. The answer, the question is subtract 36.48. It's 36, huh? Subtract 36.48 from 1000. जल्दी जल्दी करिए. 36.48 from 1000. Now do
Ma'am, I have given the answer.
Very good, Toyaj.
Ma'am, now I have given the correct answer. First I have given the correct.
Okay, okay. I have received answer from Toyaj and Anika also. Very good. Be little faster, everyone. अभी सर एक बार फिर से देखो बेटा, आपका आंसर तो बड़ा आ रहा है, आपने ऐड कर दिया है क्या? अभी सर एक बार फिर से देखो. आयुष्मान करेक्ट, आई बिलीव. I want answer from all 19 students who are joined. All 19 students. Please do it little faster, beta. Very good, Ayushi. Rest students, do it faster. Rishit, yes ma'am, understood. Okay, Rishit, jaldi jaldi karo beta. Satvik, correct. Ishika, correct. What about other students also? Okay, Pratyushi एक बार और मैच करो बेटा. एक बार और मैच करो प्रत्युषी. अभी सर, यस. अभी सर लास्ट वाला डिजिट देखो एक बार. अभी सर लास्ट वाला डिजिट. यस आस्था, करेक्ट. चलो, very nice. Now let's try this. After decimal you have 1, 2 places. There is no decimal only, so let us put decimal and then give them 2 0. अब now they are like, अब साथ में लिखेंगे 1,000.00, because you are knowing that after from the number will come first. लिख दिया. उसके बाद decimal के नीचे decimal. Now let us put decimal के नीचे decimal. Now we have 4 8, so 4 8. ठीक है? And here we have 6. Here we have 3. Now subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Now let us put this and let us solve it. This is 1. बाकी सब जगह 0. So let us give them borrow. ठीक है? Now here we will give it here 0. This will give you 10, ये 10 से इसको बोरो देगा तो ये हो जाएगा 9, this is 9, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 10. ठीक है, सारे के सारे हो जाएंगे नंबर 9, बाकी हो जाएगा 10. तो ये हो जाएगा 10 में से 8 गया बच्चा 2, 9 में से 4 गया बच्चा 5, डेसिमल का डेसिमल, 9 में से 6 गया 3, 9 में से 3 गया 6, 9 का 9, 0 का 0. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपके पास 963.52. Understood or not? If not understood, write it down no. If understood, write it down yes. If understood, write yes. Okay, thank you very much for replying. चलो, अब ये तो हो गया बेटा, एडिशन भी समझ में आ गया, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी समझ में आ गया. ठीक है, एडिशन भी समझ में आ गया और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी समझ में आ गया. बट रिमेंबर बेटा, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आर एग्जैक्टली सेम. ठीक है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में कुछ करना नहीं है, आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम समझनी है और उसके बाद उसका सॉल्यूशन करना है. ठीक है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम समझनी है और उसके बाद उसका सॉल्यूशन करना है. तो चलो, टुडे वी विल टेक अप सम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स नाउ. ठीक है, नाउ लेट अस टेक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. So just let me take a screenshot of the board work. Now we are moving on the fifth exercise. Today we'll complete this chapter only from NCERT book. Okay. So here if I see question number 8.5 में exercise 5 question number 2, Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for math book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Now if you read this question thoroughly, it is telling कि राशिद ने कुछ पैसे खर्च किए जो कि मैथ बुक के लिए थे और उसके बाद राशिद ने कुछ पैसे खर्च किए जो कि साइंस बुक के लिए थे. तो टोटल कितना खर्च किया इसमें? कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. 35.75, दोनों के दोनों पहले से लाइक डेसिमल में है, तो यहाँ डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल, 0 के 0 दिस एंड 2 and 3 रुपीज का रुपीज, and just you need to add it and after that you need to write it down here for maths book, for science book and total money spent. Now you just need to add it. It will 5, 6, 6, 12, 1, 13, carry here 1, 5, 2, 7, 1, 8, 3, 3, 6. 68.35 was the total money which was spent by Rashid. ठीक है, spent by Rashid. यहाँ पे लिख देंगे total money spent by Rashid. Finished? Okay. This is just question number 2. Ishika says board is blur. बेटा what is just इससे ज्यादा दूर करेंगे ना तो दिखाई नहीं देगा प्रॉपर्ली.
Ma'am, it's not blur.
Please wait.
No, ma'am, it's very clear.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पढ़ते हैं ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 says Radhika's mother gave her 10.50 and father gave her 15.80. Now find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. It means कुछ मनी थी जो उसके पापा ने दी, कुछ मनी थी जो उसकी मम्मी ने दी. अब बताना है टोटल मनी कितनी उसके पास आई. बिल्कुल इसी की तरह, बिल्कुल इसी की तरह यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे मनी गिवन बाय फादर, मनी गिवन बाय मदर एंड टोटल मनी गॉट बाय मदर एंड फादर. And simply you have to add. I am not telling question number 3. It is simple, beta. ठीक है? It is just similar to this question. Question number 4. Read.
Can you write the number of the money?
What? What? Speak again, beta. What you are saying? Please do it little faster. What you are saying?
Ma'am, can you tell again how much number of the money the parents have given?
बेटा आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में है ना, just check it in NCERT book. It is there in the, I am teaching from the book only. You have not opened your book. Students, how many of you take the NCERT book and then study? कितने लोग बिना बुक के बैठते हैं पढ़ने के लिए? Just raise your hand. How many of you take the book and then study in my period? जिनके पास अभी बुक है तुरंत, I just want to know. चलिए वीडियो ऑन करिए और केवल अपनी बुक दिखाइए जल्दी से, तुरंत केवल अपनी बुक की तरफ वीडियो करिए. I just need to see that how many of you are opening the book and just sitting with the book only. I just want to see the book. Very good. It is opened or not? I just want to see. तुरंत फटाफट जल्दी. Yes. Thank you Ashish. Thank you Anika. Toyaj. What about other? Abhisarg, Ayushman, Anvesha. Very good. Anvesha, आपकी बुक खुली नहीं है अभी.
Ma'am, I have closed to show you. That's why.
अच्छा चलिए ठीक है. प्रत्युषी, very nice. Okay. What about other student? बेटा तुरंत बुक ओपन करिए फटाफट जल्दी. इशिका, okay. कशिश, ओपन करो बुक. और कल से
Ma'am, my book is open.
अच्छा ठीक है. I have not even seen. No, that is why telling. कल से सभी की बुक सामने होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल. हम लोग एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं बेटा. बुक नहीं खुली होगी तो कैसे चलेगा बताओ. चलो. Thank you. हाँ, I have seen that. I am telling that
You can see my book.
now. Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, you can see my book.
Who is that? Who is speaking?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Satwik Ranjan.
हाँ, Satwik, I can see the book of everyone, those who have opened and shown to me. I can see Satwik, your book also. Okay. Now moving on to question number 4. Nasreen. सब लोग बुक देखिए अपनी बुक देखिए तुरंत. Question number 4 says that Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth from her for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trousers. Now find the total length of cloth bought by her. It means question number 4 is saying to us related to the material of cloth. ठीक है? So for shirt the material is given here 3 meter 20 centimeter. ठीक है? And for trouser it is given here 2 meter 5 centimeter. ठीक है? अब now you should know it is 5 centimeter. So if you convert into meter, आपने पहले से पढ़ के रखा है, it will give you 3.20 meter. ठीक है? आपने पढ़ा है ना मीटर से सेंटीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है in the previous exercise only. This is 2 meter 5 centimeter. It will give you 2.05. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no, children? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Yes.
It will not. It will not be. Okay. It will not be 2.50. It will be 2.05. Now add it. It will give you 5. It will give you 25, and this will give you 5. Total cloth. Total length of cloth is equal to 5.25, means 5 meter 25 centimeter will be the answer. ठीक है? This was all about question number 4. This was all about question number 4. Beta, addition subtraction is not so tough. Word problems are very easy. Question number 5 में भी देखो, 1 kilometer 7 meter and 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning, 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Question number 5. Question number 5 is also easy. So now you read question number 5, 6, 7. एक बार पूरा पढ़िए गौर से और मुझे बताइए which question you want to do from my side. Just question number 5, 6, 7. सब लोग देखिए and tell me which question should I tell. Question number 5, 6 और 7 में से.
Question
Question
7.
number 6. अच्छा.
Ma'am, I have written something in chat.
Number 5.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, question number 5.
5 में बेटा 5 बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. What you are
Ma'am,
saying, Pratyushi? Why? Question number 5. Question number 5 में कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा. मॉर्निंग में लिखा हुआ है जो नरेश है वो कितना चला है 2 किलोमीटर 35 मीटर. तो जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे इट विल गिव यू 2.035 इन किलोमीटर. यू आर नोइंग हाउ टू कन्वर्ट मीटर टू किलोमीटर. हम लोगों ने कल पढ़ा था सैटरडे को, सॉरी. एंड इवनिंग में इट इज देयर 1 किलोमीटर 7 मीटर. सॉल्व करोगे इट विल गिव यू 1.007 किलोमीटर. एंड जस्ट यू नीड टू ऐड टोटल डिस्टेंस. Total distance would be 2.035 1.007 plus it will give you 2, it will give you 4, it will give you 0, it will give you 3.042 kilometer. ओके प्रत्युषी, आई थिंक आपका क्वेश्चन हम समझ नहीं पा रहे बेटा. जब हमने ऐड किया तभी तो आंसर आया. यू आर टेलिंग हाउ वी कैन से इट इज 5.25. बट बेटा यू ओनली नो ना, जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा वो सही ना आएगा.
Ma'am, I have written that can we say that instead of 5 meter 25 centimeter it's 5.25.
यस प्रत्युषी, मैंने लिखा है, दोनों चीजें लिखी हैं. दोनों चीजें लिखी हैं बेटा, दोनों के दोनों लिखे हैं मैंने. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 या 7. अगर आप देखना चाहो तो बेटा 6 क्वेश्चन और 7 क्वेश्चन दोनों बिल्कुल सेम है. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सेम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में 3 नंबर दिए हुए हैं और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में भी 3 नंबर दिए हैं. तो आप 6 या 7 में से एक चूज कर लो कोई भी. अगर हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6? रेज योर हैंड फास्टर. How many of you want question number 6 to be solved? जल्दी से बोलिए because we don't have much time.
Ma'am, what?
How many of you want question number 6 to be solved? Only Astha wants question number 6. Astha, 2 students. 3. Astha, Noor and Satwik want question number 6. Okay, put your hand down. How many of you want question number 7? आप खुद से भी तो ट्राई करो बेटा. जब तक आप खुद से ट्राई नहीं करोगे कैसे बनेगा बताइए. 3 ही तो नंबर है वहां पे, 3 ही नंबर दिए हुए हैं केवल. जब तक आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा खुद से भी. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बताते हैं. यहाँ पर है सुनीता ने ट्रैवल किया 15 किलोमीटर 268 मीटर बाय बस. उसके बाद 7 मीटर बाय कार. उसके बाद 500 मीटर बाय फुट ऑन फुट. ठीक है. नाउ इट इज आस्किंग हाउ मच डिस्टेंस वाज कवर्ड इन टोटल. नाउ सी दिस, देयर इज नो मीटर, no kilometer is given, so I am writing here 0 kilometer. Here only written 7 meter, so we'll put 0 0. We'll put 0 0. It will give you 0.00. It will give you 0.007. If you will convert into decimal, यहाँ आएगा 15.268 किलोमीटर plus 7.007 kilometer because you are converting into decimal. It will give you 0.500 kilometer. ठीक है. Just need to add it. It's kilometer. 8 plus 7 15. Carry I 1. 7 5 or 2 7. 7 5 12. Carry I 1. It will give you 22. 22.775 means 22 kilometers, 775 meters total distance. Finished. Okay, I just took your 1 minute extra today. Okay, this was question number 6. Now we have completed till exercise 8.5 is already done. 8.6 का subtraction part question number 1, 2 is already done. तो आज आप लोग इस exercise को 8.5 और 8.6 को करेंगे. जो क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं बनेगा, we will discuss it tomorrow only. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Jai Hind.
Jai ma'am.